Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha wheels in Rocket League. These iconic wheels are among the rarest items in the game, originating from the game's alpha testing phase. Their unique gold appearance and limited availability make them incredibly desirable for collectors and competitive players alike. Since they are no longer obtainable through in-game drops or item shop purchases, understanding the trading market is crucial for acquiring them. To get your hands on alpha wheels, you'll need to engage in player-to-player trading. These wheels are officially named Goldstone in your inventory. This means finding a player willing to part with their set and offering them something of equivalent value. Often, this involves a substantial amount of in-game credits, as their rarity drives their market price very high. Be prepared for a significant investment. The market value of alpha wheels is not fixed. It fluctuates based on current supply and demand within the Rocket League trading community. It's crucial to research recent trade values on reputable trading websites and forums to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Always use a middleman for high-value trades if you're unsure, and double-check that the item being traded is indeed the genuine alpha wheel before confirming. Patience is key when pursuing alpha wheels, as finding a willing seller at a fair price can take some time. Connect with the broader Rocket League trading community on platforms like Discord or Reddit. These communities often have dedicated channels for high-value item trading and can offer valuable insights. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Happy trading, and good luck on your quest for these legendary wheels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.